Credit. You need credit in order to get credit. But how do you get credit if you don't have credit? This is the $20 million question, and on this channel we talk about the answers. Now today we're talking about points, why you should care about points, what good are they, and how do we get them. Now recently I went on a little getaway and used the points on my American Express Hilton card to get 5 days of the vacation for almost nothing. How, you ask? Well, grab a pen and paper and stick around to the end as we're talking about reward points and my trip, as well as ways to improve your life with reward points. And we'll get into some other tips and tricks. Now let's get into this. Today we're talking about reward points. First off, what are reward points? They are a system for credit card companies to reward you for using their card. They may be as simple as 1 point per dollar, all the way up to 12 points per dollar or more that you spend on the card. But what are points worth? Well, this is kind of a hard question to answer, as what is anything worth? Some points are worth as little as 1 cent. Some are worth much, much more, and some are worth even less. It's all up to the card, and they can change the value at any time they like. Now, I picked up the American Express Hilton card last March, and with some diligent use, I was able to earn enough points to get 5 days at a reasonable hotel and a night at the Hilton Diplomat Resort, 34th floor with a gorgeous view. Let's roll the tape. This is our hotel room on the 34th floor. There's that bathtub. Quick little look at the shower and the water closet. Isn't that pretty? Even has a little surprise for you in the closet. Yeah. And the Master King with the views all the way out. Now, when I first got the card, I did have to spend $3,000 to get the 130,000 points. And by the way, there's a link below that you can get that same 130,000 points for only $2,000 worth of spend. But I spent those points carefully, and my stays would have been almost $1,400 if I had paid cash. So I made just a little over a penny a point on the introductory offer. I also managed to earn a free night stay by spending $15,000 on the card. Now I need to stop for a moment and remind everybody that this was spend that I would have spent anyway. I just used my card instead of my debit card. Figure $100 for gas, $300 for food each month, $200 for my cell phone bill, $450 for the lights and water, and $250 for home and car insurance. Well, that's about $1,300 a month, and I spent a little extra on repair bills to push me over the top. I did not go out and buy a new laptop, new Xbox, new PlayStation, etc. I only used the cards for normal usage, and I paid it off each month. Let me ask you this. Would you pay an annual fee on a card? I had to think long and hard about this. I did not want to pay any annual fees. But then I stopped. And I'll ask you the same question I asked myself. Would you pay today $100 for 4 nights at a Hilton property? Now, that's just $25 a night to get 4 nights. Oh, heck yeah. I would. That's exactly what I did. My Hilton Surpass card has a $95 annual fee, but it gets me 130,000 points at a Hilton plus additional points when I use it each month. You get 12 points for each dollar of eligible purchases on your card directly with the participating hotel or resort within the Hilton portfolio. You get 6 points for every dollar you spend at U.S. restaurants, supermarkets, and gas stations, and you get 3 points for all other eligible purchases. Soon you will see the points adding up on your account. So points are a game that you can use to make your life better and add days to your vacation. Now, where would you like to run away for 4 nights? Do me a favor, answer below. Let's see where people want to get away to. Me, I want to head to Las Vegas, and I want to try to be there in September. We shall see. Now below is a link to the American Express Hilton Surpass card that will get you 130,000 points for signing up and spending $2,000. And you may also get a free night as a bonus if that promotion is still available. Now, as for another reward for sticking through the video, there are some other great links down below that'll help us both out, such as the referral link that really helps the channel and you. For instance, the Chase and American Express referrals both give us extra reward points for signing up through the link, as well as Webull gives you 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 and use the link below. Last, please enjoy the 2 other videos on credit repair that you see on the screen. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm out.